welcome back to my channel. This is Madhusmita and you're welcome to Dear Wallet. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell notification on as well. Finally, I'm filming my hostel room tour video. 3.5 months that I'm trying to film this video, but somehow I was not getting time to film. Maybe this video will help if you are going to a hostel, planning to like study out of your state, and you are going to study in a hostel. Like necessary चीजें जो आपको चाहिए एक hostel में, maybe this video will help you with that. Without any further ado, let's just begin with the video. We are going to start with this, but before we begin, I would highly recommend you guys to watch my pack with me to my hostel वाला video, because उसमें मैंने आपको दिखाया था कि मैं क्या क्या पैक करके लेके जा रही हूँ, which are like essentials for me, क्योंकि वही चीज़ें अभी मैं बहुत काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रही हूँ, and that video will be really helpful if you're gonna watch. But if you are here just for the aesthetics, then well, let's begin with the video. So as soon as you enter, this is the door, and जब आप door से entry होते हो तो आपको ये side में एक बड़ा सा अलमीरा दिखता है. It is pretty inconvenient, I would say, क्योंकि if I'll open the door like this and if someone is outside and they want to come in, then I have to shut it and they will enter. And ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है कि when my door is unlocked, क्या ऐसे open करके रखी हूँ and people have pushed it, तो कभी कभी मुझे लग भी जाता है because of that. So it's very inconvenient, to be honest, but anywho, we are staying in a hostel and it's a very small room. So anywho, तो मैंने ये Amazon से hook लगाया है, and hooks are really important, you guys, like anywhere you go, and these are pretty strong, I would say. I would link down everything in the description box. तो इसमें मेरा ब्लेजर हो जाता है, मेरे जितने सारे कपड़े हैं, like used कपड़े होते हैं, मैं जब कॉलेज से आती हूँ इधर ही इसको डंप कर देती हूँ. like अभी मैंने अपना ID कार्ड यहाँ पे टंगा हुआ है, एंड ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे आराम से टंग सकते हैं. like up to 2 kg you can hang for these adhesive hooks. मेरी लेफ्ट साइड में मेरी रूममेट का है, एंड मेरे राइट साइड में दिस इज माई साइड. सो एज सुन एज यू एंटर to this room, you will see first my view, like my side of room. At that they provided us with white almiras because they look so aesthetic. बहुत फीका फीका लग रहा था, so I had few stickers, तो मैंने वो लगा दिया. And this bulb, as you guys can see, it's from Amazon again. You might have seen this in my room tour, my studio tour as well. तो मैंने अपने स्टूडियो से ये बल्ब ले लिया है इधर, because the light here is not sufficient, to be honest, क्योंकि मेरे साइड में विंडोज़ नहीं है, मतलब विंडोज़ है but there is no sufficient light here, so I have to keep extra lights for it. I'll tell you why, because मैं इधर ही रेडी होती हूँ तो मुझे इधर लाइट्स चाहिए, and we don't have a huge mirror, so this really works. And again मैंने यहाँ पे एक adhesive hook लगा दिया है, क्योंकि मैं इधर में स्टीम आयरन करती हूँ, दैट्स वाई द हैंगर इज हियर क्लोजर राइट नाउ. सो ऊपर मैंने सारे अपने बैग्स रखे हैं, and bed sheets like which you can't see, and it's a really mess and I cannot take it out. For my everyday college wear bags, and कभी मैं अगर casually outing करती हूँ तो उसके भी bags है इधर. So that's all about it. Now this is the part which I'm really excited to show you. So जो second shelf है, इसमें मेरे सारे beauty and skincare products है, and इधर ही मैं ready होती हूँ. This is my small beauty vanity. For extra lights कभी कभी मुझे ज़रूरत पड़ता है for like makeup obviously. So I have got this particular product from Amazon, which is a lifesaver for me. Ta-da! Magnetic kind of light. This is what the light looks like. इसमें खाली एक ही कलर का है, दैट इज लाइक कूल टोन. आई जस्ट विश कि इसमें वार्म लाइट होता, बट इसमें नहीं है. एंड चेंज द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ दिस लाइट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, एंड इट इज ईजिली, ये मैग्नेटिक है तो ये मेटल सरफेस में ईजिली चिपक जाता है, विच इज लाइक रियली कूल. ये लाइक वुडन एंड ऑल में चिपकेगा नहीं, ओनली फॉर मेंट फॉर मेटल लाइक द अलमीरा. Now let me just quickly show you what I have inside. If you take a quick glance, it's like pretty clean just because of the video. Otherwise मैं हमेशा इसको messy रखती हूँ. So here I have kept all my everyday makeup, like इधर like my MAC Studio Fix powder, then my mascaras, my micellar water, primer, my brushes, and the comb and everything is over here, which I use on everyday basis. And then इसके पीछे जो मेरे 2 डब्बा है, these are all my lipsticks. You guys know I do have a lot of lipsticks, so yeah. hence 2 boxes of the lipsticks. So yeah, here are the lipsticks. Then इधर मेरे cotton pads, perfume, earbuds, everyday use करती हूँ वो सब है. Now here ये locker है, और locker में ऐसा कुछ सामान नहीं है. It's just my skincare, as you will see. So yeah, some more makeup and skincare products, more perfumes, and then I have my jewelry box right over here. ये आपको मैंने pack with me वाले videos में दिखाया था. My phone covers and my makeup removers. Essentials are like very selective. I really like makeup and skincare, so I really need all of them. So yeah, that's that. Coming to this part of my cupboard, obviously यहाँ पे सारे कपड़े हैं, which is all messy. I try to organize, but मेरे से नहीं होता because everyday कपड़े निकाल के ये करना, it's very difficult for me, so I just leave it to that. तो ऊपर मैंने कुछ हैंगर्स लगा हुआ है just in case. मतलब I usually don't use hangers, in just in case मैंने कुछ आयरन करके रखा है तो I need it, so that's that. And then this particular shelf is all my bottoms. Like ये साइड में मेरे bottoms है, like jeans, the trousers, my formal pants and everything ये साइड में है. And then this side is all my घर का कपड़ा, like pajamas, cute PJs and everything. That's all I have kept here. This shelf is like all my random stuffs. Like this side I have all my period essentials, my hair stuff, then my hair towel, shaving things, and all my hair stuff, okay, basically, and period things. And then this side I have all my laundry. तो ये बहुत खाली पड़ा है क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा सामान नहीं लाती हूँ घर से, because whenever I go घर को every weekend I do my laundry and get few stuff only, so that भरा ना रहे, so like just for safety, like अगर extra सब चाहिए तो. This is my last and my favorite shelf. So this is all food and random stuff, but mostly आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी सारे खाने का आइटम है, एक ready to eat kind of food, biscuits and all. As you move on from my cupboard, the next thing that you see is my study table, which is really purple. If you know me, you know. So yeah, I'll just quickly show you what all I have on my table. First, I have my 2 tumblers. Obviously, water is really important. You need to be hydrated. If you are from my Instagram farm, you guys know ये दोनों कहाँ से है. All are from Amazon. Again, मैंने इधर एक हुक लगाया है जिसमें मैं अपने वायर्स लगा रखती हूँ. You guys know wires are really messy, and when you have an iWatch, iPhone and an AirPod, you just need a lot of wires for that. So इधर सारे वायर्स के लिए मैंने एक हुक लगा दिया है, so it just looks pretty cool and organized. Then again, this particular stuff is from Miniso. इसमें मैंने कुछ posters रखा है जो बच गया था डेकोरेशन के लिए. The candles and just few random stuff just for the organization. And then this table lamp, which is like pretty cool, I would say. Like it has a warm light, cool light and a medium light. You have to charge it. And then these 2 organizers are again from Miniso, guys. Like small stuff, all my pens and everything is over here. Then extension cord. Extension cord is really important क्योंकि इतने points नहीं देते. I just have 2 electric point here and I do have a lot of electronics, so I definitely needed it. Lights के लिए भी चाहिए था, so I got this extension again from Amazon, which is pretty cool. अच्छे से चल रहा है, so I'm fine with it. Then इधर just for the aesthetics and the decoration stuff, I got this grid from Shein. Again मैंने hook लगा के इसको यहाँ पे टांगा है. And there's my timetable, some random stuff, my home keys and connection. This is the thing we got for our freshers, so it just looks cool, so I just kept it like memories, so I have kept it here. And there's my laptop. And ये क्लॉथ भी मैंने अमेज़ॉन से ही लिया है. मतलब मैं पर्पल का ढूंढ रही थी टेबल क्लॉथ, एंड आई फाइनली गॉट इट. दिस इज़ वाटर रेजिस्टेंस एज वेल. यहाँ पे अगर पानी गिरता है तो वो इजीली साफ़ हो जाता है. इसके ऊपर लाइक टेबल के ऊपर आपको एक कबर्ड मिलेगा जिसके ऊपर अगेन मेरा एक टम्बलर रखा है जो मैं कॉलेज लेके जाती हूँ. तो इधर भी मैंने एक हुक लगाया है जस्ट इन केस अगर मुझे आयरन करना हो तो मैं इधर भी आयरन कभी कभार कर देती हूँ. So here I have all my books right over here, very essential, like all are organized and everything. तो इधर सारे books है. And then on this side you have a bowl, my cup for chais and everything, the room fresheners again, really important stuff. Then ऊपर मेरे सारे medicines रखा हुआ है, my iced tea and all some random stuff, like you know, mostly I just kept my medicines and the stuff that I use on an everyday basis. And yeah, that was all about this cupboard. Now this is the most interesting part of my room. I really love this place. Like this is my PC wall. Again, all these posters I got from Amazon, and ये poster मुझे around 200-300 का पड़ा शायद. I'll just leave everything in the description box. And इसको लगाने में बहुत टाइम लगा guys. Like जो डबल टेप आते हैं उसमें मैंने चिपकाया है ये सब. And then these decorative stuff, fairy lights, and this plant is again from Amazon. ये मेरे घर पे था तो मैं उसको उठा के ले आई. यहाँ पे ग्रीन पर्दा हुआ करता था, बट सिंस इट वॉज नॉट गोइंग विद द एस्थेटिक, सो आई गॉट अ पर्पल स्क्रीन. नाउ इट लुक्स प्रिटी गुड. एंड दिस विंडो इज लाइक, ये विंडो में कुछ व्यू नहीं है टू बी ऑनेस्ट. लाइक इट्स जस्ट द पाइप्स एंड ऑयल, सो इट्स बेटर टू जस्ट क्लोज इट फॉर एवर. एंड देन उधर मेरा एम है, लाइक द लाइट्स, उसमें लाइट होता है. दिस इज लाइक माई बेड लाइट. कभी कभी बहुत अगर अंधेरा होता है तो आई यूज़ इट. So yeah, again that is from Amazon as well. Side again, all these posters are from Amazon, जिसको मैंने डबल टिप से चिपकाया हुआ है, which is really good quality you guys. Like got this for 200 rupees and it just looks really pretty. And yeah, that is my sweet bed. Like this gadda is also really nice. Like I really like it. Like इसमें कमर दर्द नहीं होता है. Again, pillow एक ही मिला था. This is the pillow that they gave me, but this is the pillow that I got from my home, जिसमें सिल्क वाला कवर लगाया हुआ है, which is really good for your healthy hair. Like friction नहीं होता है तो hair fall नहीं होता है. Bedsheet है, ये fitted bedsheet है, which is from Meesho, and I never knew that Meesho में इतने अच्छे क्वालिटी के बेडशीट मिल सकता है, वो भी fitted one. And this is really goes with my aesthetic. And this is the comforter I use, which is again from Amazon. इसके ये साइड में मेरा लॉन्ड्री बैग है, एंड इन दिस साइड आई हैव मोर स्टोरेज. वो वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, लाइक ऑल माई हेयर अप्लायंसेस एंड सम सॉक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. इट्स आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू शो यू बिकॉज दैट्स द रियली मेसी पार्ट. लाइक सारे छोटे छोटे मोटे जो चीज़ है, मिसलेनियस चीज़ उसके अंदर है. एंड दिस इज़ द मैट दैट आई अगेन गॉट फ्रॉम Amazon. Like purple mat मिलना कितना मुश्किल है, and but I finally got it, which I am really happy about. Next I'll show you guys my washroom. Like I don't think it's necessary, but yeah, I'll just quickly just give you, मतलब इतना कुछ दिखाने के लिए है नहीं, but yeah, उस पार्ट में ख़त्म होने के बाद मेरे बगल में ही ये this is the washroom. This is the thing that I have added from Amazon. या अगेन मैंने इधर हुक लगा है, ये एडहेसिव है, एंड इट्स बीन 2 months ऑलमोस्ट एंड दिस इज स्टिल गोइंग स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू गाइज टू गेट दिस बुक्स, बिकॉज इतना सारे चीज़ को ये होल्ड करके रख पा रहा है. सो इट्स रियली गुड. तो इधर लाइक वी हैव द पेस्ट, all my stuff only, all my skincare stuff. I do have a lot of skincare. And इधर बर्तन मांजने का सामान, and that's the mirror. It's like a very small mirror. This is not even a full size mirror, you all. मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. But yeah, इधर भी I have this purple brush holder. This is for my room and this is for me, which is like really pretty. Like I really like it. This is from Miniso, by the way, so I don't have the link for it. Yeah. Then small stuff, then all our like bathroom cleaning stuff, our body wash. Like there is nothing to show here, just the glimpse here and there. Now when you come out of the bathroom, you see this balcony right over here. So that's the balcony. So that's the view. It's a cloudy day today, and yeah, ये हमारे हॉस्टल का फ्रंट व्यू है. The best thing about the balcony, क्योंकि as a content creator we need a lot of light, and this is what I need guys. That this is where I shoot most of my videos now. मतलब अभी मैं भी आपको इंस्टाग्राम में मैं ज़्यादा पोस्ट नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट जब भी शूट करती हूँ तो मैं इधर ही शूट करती हूँ. दिस इज़ माई रूममेट्स कपबर्ड, सो दैट्स वाई इट्स ऑल वाइट. पीछे उसका बेड है, बट दैट डजंट मैटर क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे खड़ी रहती हूँ तो सब कुछ छुप जाता है. एंड दिस इज जस्ट अ ब्लैंक white background for me. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I don't know it was much of a tour or not, but yeah, I hope this video helped and you guys liked my organization. First time ever that I'm staying in a hostel, so I tried my best to make this place my home. At least I'm trying to make this as if it is my own. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.